Everyone always asks me, Violet, how do you get your hair like that? How do you get your hair this color? And people don't even believe me, but it's henna. It's so beautiful and so powerful. I'm so grateful to you. Bless you. Bless you. It's a henna tutorial. Do you notice my hair? It gets greasier faster, and it's just not as vibrant. So I haven't done it in a while, and I know henna just gives me so much volume and so much hair care. There are so many benefits to henna. Henna is antimicrobial, it's anti-inflammatory, which is going to take care of the health of your scalp. With the dandruff, with the oil production, it helps control the oil production, as well as pH balance. So many beautiful benefits that henna provides for our hair. It also helps your hair grow longer and stronger. It helps retain the hair follicles that are already in your scalp and stimulates new hair growth. Now, overall, it conditions your hair, and I couldn't do without henna. It does wash out eventually, but I'm going to show you from beginning to end how to do it. Let's get right into it.
Make some black tea, some beetroot with hibiscus, some apple cider vinegar unfiltered, organic, rosemary nettle for that hair growth, and an essential oil that you love because henna doesn't smell great, and a brush. So I sectioned my hair in 4 pieces. I know I look really silly. Make sure you have your gloves. Make sure your hair is freshly washed. And you kind of just I start at the roots, and wherever the henna touches, that's what's gonna color it. If it doesn't touch a piece of hair, then it's not gonna color it. So make sure it's thoroughly like you're penetrating every hair piece.
Alright, so here we have it. I put myself in a little cap because it does stain, so it is such a process, but we're done and the results are so worth it. The process time is about 2 to 3 hours. The more longer you keep it, the more vibrant the color will be. So you can do things around your house, read a good book. 3 hours, you wash it off, boom, you have a healthy scalp, healthy hair, conditioned, beautiful color. Honestly, like, I wish that the salon would be willing to do this for me, but nobody around here does it. Oh, and the henna, it's from an Indian bazaar. So let me show you what it looks like when I wash my hair. See you in 3 hours. Finished my soul. Look at my healthy hair, scalp. And you can see, like, this is already more voluptuous, it's darker, and then it washes off to that red color that helps out